Some startling moments for a Barrington family this morning that impacted their entire neighborhood. A wind gust took down this tree, knocking out power to everyone around them at the height of the morning rush. Eyewitness News reporter Erica Ritchie spoke with that family and has the details from Barrington.
The homeowner really scratching her head on this one. She says the tree in her front yard was healthy, not dead or rotted. Our meteorologists say the wind gusts in this area at that time, around 7 o'clock this morning, were between 35 and 40 miles an hour. Not typically strong enough to take down a healthy tree, but that's what happened, and that's why the homeowner was so shocked when it did.
If a tree was going to fall down, today was not the day that I thought it was going to fall down.
It was quite a morning for Jennifer Watson and her family, making a name for themselves in their neighborhood on Fireside Drive in Barrington in an unexpected way.
Yeah, it's us, the people of the tree that fell down on the power lines. Thank you. Yeah, we'll be here all week.
She kept her back to the camera, admitting she wasn't dressed for the spotlight when she was thrust into it by her downed tree.
I think we were just all shocked.
Watson says the uprooted tree didn't land with the boom, rather a sound that left her even more unsuspecting of this reality.
We just heard this, it sounded like somebody was sort of dragging something on the pavement. It just sort of sounded like this crazy, sound.
It was likely the sound of the trunk cracking, the power lines catching it before it hit the ground, knocking out power to the entire neighborhood. Something Watson feels bad about.
I'm really sorry to our neighbors,
but is able to gain perspective on.
We were able to get our kid dressed and get her out the door, and there's still hot water, and just don't open the refrigerators. I mean, it's a nuisance.
And really, that's a good way of looking at it. At the end of the day, no one was hurt, no property was damaged, and the power was back on to most of the neighborhood by about 9 a.m. In Barrington, Erica Ritchie, Eyewitness News.